Red wine sweetened and spiced, enhanced with orange slices and a punch of premium brandy. Mulling over what to serve at your next cold weather get-together? Cheers to mulled wine punch. Let me set the scene. It is cold outside, but inside it's warm and cozy, maybe even festive. Let's not overthink this. This is the only cocktail you should be serving. So you're gonna need a couple bottles of red wine. Today I'm using Cabernet Sauvignon. You'll need brandy and then 2 sweet enhancements, dark brown sugar and maple syrup. Let's make sure you have some fragrant spices at the ready, plus a navel orange and a lemon. How about cranberries for a perfect garnish? Here's how easy this is. Just grab a soup pot. Add the 2 bottles of red wine. Add 1 cup of brandy, half a cup of dark brown sugar. Also add half a cup of maple syrup. Stir to dissolve the sugar. Just saying, the brown sugar and maple syrup add so much flavor to this warmed punch. You're gonna love it. Next, let's add some spices. 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon whole cloves, a teaspoon whole allspice, 1 teaspoon whole cardamom. Toss in some star anise. Grab 1 lemon. We're gonna zest the skin, reserve it to the side for garnish. Then thinly slice that lemon. We're gonna add it into this pot. Give the pot a stir. Okay, this is important. Don't bring your punch to a boil. Instead, we're gonna warm it nice and slowly on a moderate heat. It's gonna get hot, and when it does, we're ready to serve. You can ladle your mulled wine punch into attractive glasses. If a few spices slip into the glass, perfect. Then we're gonna add a little bit of that lemon zest, add half a slice of orange, and then a couple of cranberries because they're beautiful and festive. Easy. Don't forget, you've got to be of legal drinking age to enjoy this beverage, and if you are enjoying, please enjoy responsibly. The full recipe is up at weekend@thecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then finally, take a picture of the beautiful beverages you're making. Then share them on social media platforms using hashtag weekend@thecottage when you do, on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Mulled wine punch. Perfectly spiced mulled wine with a punch of brandy. From us to you, cheers.